Place a CD or SACD in your T+A device. You can open the drive drawer by remote control. On some T+A devices, there is also a corresponding switch on the front panel which opens the drawer. But the drawer can also be opened from the T+A MusicNavigator. Select the disk source in the source overview. Now open the play screen by pressing the symbol. By pressing the Open/Close icon in the control bar of the play screen, you open the drawer. Pressing the same button will close the drawer again. Press the play button to start playback, which can also be paused here. On the play screen of corresponding T+A devices, you have the option of switching between loudspeaker groups A or B and A and B, and of course the essential volume control either via the volume slider or by repeatedly pressing the large speaker icon for volume up or the small speaker icon for volume down. A long press on one of the speaker icons activates the mute function. A short press deactivates the function again. There are several ways to skip a track forward or backward. For example, you can use the arrow symbols in the control bar. Of course, you can also get to the next song by swiping to the left. By the way, it is possible to use the slider in the timeline to wind to any position within a song. A swipe to the right brings back the previous song. A direct selection of the songs on a CD or SACD can also be called up via the queue in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can skip directly to a desired track. A press on the X closes the queue list again. Another way to directly select tracks from a CD or SACD is to minimize the play screen by pressing the arrow symbol in the upper left corner of the screen. You return to the source overview. If necessary, select the source disk. An overview of the tracks on the disk opens. Select your desired track. You can access the playback programs of your player from the play screen. In the control bar, you find the options for repeat and shuffle. Press the repeat icon once to repeat one. Another press switches to repeat all. Pressing it again ends the repeat program. A press on the shuffle symbol activates the shuffle mode. Pressing it a second time deactivates it again. We hope you enjoy your CD or SACD controlled by the T+A MusicNavigator. Bye.